This course is for youth only. People have a concept. Usually people think, meditation is all those who have lived their life in 50s and 60s. When they retire, then they can do those things. No, no. What is the use of meditation when they don't have to live and do so many things in their life? Right? It's like having money but nowhere to spend. If you don't know how to spend, if you don't have place to go and spend the money, what is the point of having money? Right? You have talent, the talent should come out, right? No point in having talent or you are exploring your talent when you are 60 or 70. Correct? So, how these practices help you now is it makes you strong. It gives you intuitive ability. These practices help you to build your career and create happiness and enthusiasm. You cannot postpone being happy, right? You cannot say, I'll be happy when I'm 60 or 70. I'll be free from worries when I'm 60 or 70. No. Meditation and Kriya helps you to be centered, to be happy, to be dynamic. And that is needed now for us, isn't it? So if anyone argues with you, says, hey, these are all for older people, tell them no. Food is needed when you are young and robust. When you are old, you may not need so much food. You can do it with little food. You need good nutrition when you want to do a lot of work. When you want to work out, you need to eat also well, right? In the same way, when you want to live your life happily, you need these techniques which can help you to get over stress or not get stressed at all. That's the best situation. This knowledge and wisdom will help you not to get stressed at all. And if you get stressed, it will help you to know how to get rid of them. Unless we know this, you cannot fulfill your ambition. You cannot achieve what you want to achieve in your life, right? So bear this in mind. And I tell you, it is fashionable to meditate today. Youth love fashion, right? You must be fashionable. You must, as youth or young people, you must be naughty. Never stop being naughty. This is the age to be naughty. Okay? But your naughtiness should not hurt someone else. Make sure of that. Your fun should not bring misery to others. You can have fun. You should have fun. Number one. And then second is be fashionable. And the latest fashion is to meditate, is to have a spiritual component in your life.